Hello student, welcome to chemistry class. In today chemistry class we will see numerical on want of factor. As you know that we have completed all colligative properties with their numerical. Then we saw the abnormal molar mass and in a condition of association and dissociation. Now we will see the numerical on want of factor. There are two questions for the calculation of degree of dissociation. You may write the question 2 gram of benzene. Question is 2 gram of benzoic acid. Question is 2 gram of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid formula CH3COO C6H5 COOH dissolve in 25 gram of benzene. So dispersion in dispersion PERESSION dispersion in freezing point or depression in freezing point. So depression in freezing point equal to 1.62 K. Molar depression constant for benzene is 4.9 K Kelvin kg per mole. And what is the percentage association? What is the percentage association? The percentage association of acid if it forms dimer. Dimer in the solution. Okay. 2 gram of benzoic acid dissolved in 25 gram of benzene shows depression in freezing point equal to 1.62 Kelvin. Molar depression constant for benzene is 4.9 Kelvin kg per mole. What is the percentage of association? Okay. इस क्वेश्चन में बेंजोइक एसिड को डिसॉल्व किया गया बेंजीन के अंदर जिससे कि डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट हो गया 1.62 केल्विन। मोलर डिप्रेशन कांस्टेंट यहाँ पे बेंजीन के लिए 4.9 केल्विन केजी पर मोल हो गया। ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ एसोसिएशन। अब इस न्यूमेरिकल को लगाने के लिए हमें पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें पहले आई की वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ेगी। आई की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए पहले हमें कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी से मोलर मास निकालना पड़ेगा, और फिर मोलर मास जब हमें पता लग जाएगा तो नॉर्मल मोलर मास अपन ऑब्जर्व मोलर मास से डिवाइड करके आई की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, और फिर जब आई की वैल्यू आ जाएगी तो हम उससे अल्फ़ा की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे। चलिए आइए हम देखते हैं पहले कैसे इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे। ओके, अब इसको इरेज कर देते हैं, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए। First of all, we will write the given. What is given? Answer is benzoic mass of benzoic acid means WB is equal to WB is the mass of solute 2 gram, WA is equal to 25 gram, delta TF is equal to 1.62 Kelvin, and KF is equal to 4.9 Kelvin kg per mole. Okay, and then we will calculate the molar mass. Formula is delta TF is equal to 1000 into KF into WB upon MB into WA. Okay, MB is equal to 1000 into KF into WB upon delta TF is equal to WA. Then अब यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, we will put the value 1000, then value of KF 4.9, then value of WB into 2 upon delta TF 1.62 into 25. Okay, now you can calculate. What will be answer? Here will be 40, then here will be 0.81, okay. If you will put here 0, then here will be, okay, your answer will be 241.98 gram per mole. Okay, this is the molar mass. Okay, after dimerization. Now observed normal molar mass of molar mass is of benzoic acid will be what? As you know the formula, benzoic acid C6H5COOH. Okay, here is 6 into 12 plus 6 plus 2 into 16, 96 plus 6 plus 32. Okay, here will be 2, 6, 12 and 14. Okay, and 72, here is 72. Number of carbon is 7, here will be 84. Okay, then 6, 4, 10 and 2, here will be 2, then 3 and 8, 11, 22 gram per mole. This is the normal molar mass. This is the normal molar mass. This one is the abnormal molar mass, means observed molar mass. Now we will calculate I. Okay, have you noted this? Okay, now see the value of I. I is equal to normal molar mass, normal molar mass upon observed molar mass. There will be 98. Normal molar mass is 122 upon 241.98. Okay, what will be value? As you know that in case of association, value will be less than 1.504. This is the value of I. Now we will calculate alpha, degree of association. Degree of association. Consider the reaction 2 C6H5 COOH gives dimer C6H5 COOH whole twice. Okay, here is 1 mole initial 1 mole, here is 0, then 1 minus alpha, here will be alpha by 2, then total moles, then total mole, total number of mole कितना हो जाएगा? 1 minus alpha plus alpha by 2, open the bracket, what will be 1 minus alpha by 2. Okay, this one the equation 1 and this one is the equation 2. Note down. Now see from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Here will be 0.504 is equal to 1 minus alpha by 2. Okay. Now you calculate. Here will be alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus 0.504. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 504. Here will be 694. Okay, alpha by 2 is equal to 0.496. Okay, then alpha is equal to 0.496 into 2. 2 6 are 12, 18 and 19, 8 and 9. This is alpha. Percentage of association will be 0.992 into 100 is equal to 0.1 is equal to 99.2%. This is the percentage of association. Once again I will repeat what we have done. First of all, we have to calculate I in such question. For I, calculation of I, we calculated molar mass, that is observed molar mass, with the help of given data in the question. Then we calculated value of I, normal molar mass upon observed molar mass. Then we calculated the total number of moles in the reaction. Okay, when association will take place, then number of moles toward the product side will be alpha by 2. Then total number of moles comes 1 minus alpha by 2. Then we calculated the value of alpha. Then we calculated the percentage. Similarly, once question we will see one more question. Okay, now you can note down this. Next question is .6 ml question. 0.6 ml of acetic acid formula is CH3COOH having density 1.06 gram per ml. Okay, is dissolved in 1 liter of the water. 1 liter of water. The depression in freezing point, depression in freezing point observed for this strength of acid is 0.05 degree centigrade. This is the calculate the want of factor. Calculate the want of factor of factor. Okay, how will you calculate this? For this we have to calculate what 0.5 ml of acetic acid and density of acetic acid is given. Then we can calculate the mass of acid. We can calculate the mass of acid with the help of density. Then depression in freezing point is given. Okay, and value of Kf for the Kf for the water is 1.86. First of all, we will write the given. What is given? Okay. For calculation, always we have to calculate the mass. Okay. First of all, mass of volume into density, volume into density, density equal to 0.6 into 1.06. Okay, then value will be 0.636 gram. Okay, now number of moles of acetic acid, number of moles of acetic acid, mass upon molar mass, weight upon molar mass, this will be 0.636 upon 60. Okay, and it will be 0.0106. This is the number of mole. Now we will calculate the weight of solvent. Okay, in case of freezing point, depression in freezing point, we have to calculate molality. With the help of molality, we can calculate the value of I. Okay, so first of all we calculated the weight of solute, then now we will calculate the weight of solvent. As the volume is given, okay, so mass of water is equal to mass of water equal to weight in volume into density. Volume is 1000, okay, ml, and density is 1 gram per ml. Okay, then the weight will be 1000 gram. Okay, now molality is equal to number of moles upon weight of solvent. Number of moles is 0.0106 upon weight is equal to 1000. Okay, then the number of mole will be into 1000. Here is in gram. To convert into kg, then molality will be 0.0106. This is the molal. Okay, now we will calculate the value of I. अब हम I की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे. For that, delta TF is equal to KF into M. Okay, then KF is equal to delta TF is equal to, for here we will calculate the value of delta TF. For water 1.86 kf, molality is 0.0106 and it will be 0.0197, okay, Kelvin. Now we will see the I is equal to observed value upon calculated. Observed value is 0.025 given in question, then calculated value is 0.197. Then value will be, in case of dissociation more than 1.041 value of I. This way we calculate the value of I. अब डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन निकालना हो तो यहाँ पे हमें, अभी तो हमने वॉटन फैक्टर निकाल लिया, डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन निकालना हो तो डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन निकालने के लिए फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन, same way we will do reaction. Consider reaction CH3COOH is break into H plus and CH3COO minus. Okay, initial alpha 0 initial we will take n mole, then after some time time 1 minus alpha, if this one is alpha, and number of mole n. Okay, then total number of mole we will calculate here. Total number of moles, total number of moles equal to n1 minus alpha plus n alpha plus n alpha. Okay, here will be n minus n alpha plus n alpha plus n alpha. This one will be cancel out, then will be n plus n alpha, then will be alpha minus, there will be n 1 plus alpha. Okay, now we will see the degree of association. Note down this one. Okay, now I is equal to total number of particles after dissociation. After dissociation upon number of moles of particles before dissociation. Okay, then it will be I is equal to m 1 plus alpha upon m. This will be 1 plus alpha. Then degree of association will be, its value was value of I 1.041 equal to 1 plus alpha. Then alpha is equal to 1.041 minus 1 is equal to 0.041. Okay. Then percentage of association is equal to is equal to 4.1%. Now with the help of alpha we can calculate the dissociation constant. Now we can calculate the dissociation constant. We have calculated value of percentage of dissociation. With the help of this alpha degree of dissociation, we can calculate the dissociation constant. K is equal to concentration of H plus and concentration of CH3COO minus, then CH3COOH. Okay. Then you have to calculate the value of H, COOH. Then you can, with the help of alpha, in the beginning what I have written. Okay. So we have completed the chapter with the complete numerical. Thank you. Have a nice day.